In this video, we're going to evaluate the integral of the square root of e to the x minus 4. So the only obvious way I can see here would be a u-substitution. You let u equal e to the x minus 4, then du would equal to e to the x dx. We have a dx here, but we have no e to the x in front. Otherwise, it will work out pretty well. Now the other thing we can do is let u equal to the whole thing there. Let u equal to e to the x minus 4. And you could find your du right here, but I would go ahead and square both sides. Make it a little bit easier in the calculations here. Square both sides. That eliminates the radical, leaves you with e to the x minus 4. Now we can differentiate. So on the left, with respect to u, this would give me 2u du. On the right side, with respect to x, would give me, for e to the x, I get e to the x. The derivative of minus 4 is 0. So this will give me dx. So I want to transform this integrand here in terms of u. Still don't have the e to the x out here. But notice, from here, you can see that e to the x, solve this equation for e to the x, take the minus 4 over. This will give me e to the x is u squared plus 4. So this e to the x right here then can be replaced by u squared plus 4. Divide both sides by that. First, let's say replace the e to the x by u squared plus 4, and then divide both sides by it, okay? So this is replaced by u squared plus 4, then we're dividing, so this is going to cancel. And on the other side then, I'm going to left with 2u du, and that's going to be over u squared plus 4. So sometimes you have to do a little bit more to get the substitution to work. You make your substitution, again, the two options here are u equal to e to the x minus 4 or u equal to the whole thing. I like to go with that. Gets rid of a lot of stuff for you here. So now we can transform this now, because now this is u. That's your u right there. And dx will be 2u du over u squared plus 4. So I'm going to take out the 2 here. I got u times u then will be u squared over u squared plus 4. This will be du. And then you have a rational expression involving u, but it's not in the simplest form because the degree of the numerator is larger. So here we can do a few things. We can use long division, just divide it out. Or you can write this out this way, u squared plus 4 minus 4 over u squared plus 4. And you just break it up into 2. And say, okay, this is going to give me then, this is equal to, still got the 2 in front, the constant, u squared plus 4 over u squared plus 4, that's 1. And then it's minus, and then I got 4 over u squared plus 4. And this is du. And now you can break this up into two integrals if you want. It's going to be the integral of 1 with respect to u here would just give me a u. And for this one here, 4 over u squared plus 4, I could use this formula right here. Used it before in other videos. You have the integral of du over u squared plus a squared. Then that gives you a value for that integral of 1 over a arctangent or tangent inverse of u over a plus c. In our case here, got the u there, and then the a would be, the a squared would be 4. So the a would be 2. And of course this 4 here just multiplies that answer. That's all it is. If you got a constant here, k du, just bring it out. So this is what we're going to have then. The integral of 1 with respect to du is u. But what is u? Square root of e to the x minus 4. And then remember, we're multiplying everything by 2. So this will be 2 times the square root of e to the x minus 4. And then for this part of it here, let's look at this here. Got the 4 here, so just think of this as du over u squared plus 4. It's going to be a minus from here. And then the integral of u squared plus 4, let's put the du, ignore the 4 for now if you want. And that's going to be, according to the formula, it's going to be arctangent, or tangent inverse, of u over a. U over a. Well, in our case, the u is e to the x minus 4. And that's over a. You got 4 there, that's 2 squared. A is 2. So I've got the constant of integration. And then we have 2 times the 4. That's 8. 2 times the 4, that's 8. But remember this formula had a 1 over a, coefficient of 1 over a. A is 2, so that 8 is multiplied by 1/2. So this comes out to 4. So the final answer for this one then is 2 multiplied by the square root of e to the x minus 4 multiplied by arctangent of the square root of e to the x minus 4 over 2. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.